Yo, what's up everyone? So the AI video space is about to get wild. Seedance 2.0 is dropping soon. And from what I'm seeing across the internet right now, this might be the biggest leap we have seen in AI video generation yet. I have been diving deep into all the early signals, leaked demos, and the community reactions, and honestly, this hype is real. Today, I am breaking down everything we know so far about the Seedance 2.0, showing you some absolutely insane examples that are already circulating online from early access users, and explaining why creators everywhere are losing their mind over this. Let's get into it. Alright, so at very first, what is even Seedance 2.0? Higgsfield is positioning itself as the most creator friendly AI platform out there, and Seedance has been their flagship AI video tool. We went from Seedance 1.0 to 1.5 Pro, and now it's 2.0 right around the corner. Now, here is what's different about this launch. We are in the pre release mode. The tool isn't out yet, but early access users, insiders, and community are already dropping hints, demos, and examples online. And let me tell you what I'm seeing is next level. The official Seedance 2.0 page just went live and the internet is buzzing. CapCut's official Twitter posted a teaser. Reddit threads are blowing up, and early access beta testers in China are sharing the clips that look, honestly, they look too good to be AI generated. So let's exactly break down what's happening. First, let's look at where this hype is coming from. CapCut's official Twitter account dropped a teaser and it's getting massive attention. People are retweeting, quote tweeting, freaking out of the replies, thousands of interactions, and creators are already calling this a game changer. Then you have got a Reddit, the Singularity subreddit, which is basically where AI Nerds Live has a thread dedicated to Seedance 2.0 that is absolutely exploding. People are analyzing every frame of the demo videos, comparing it with the competitors, and talking about what this means for the industry. And the comments, they are wild. People are saying things like this changes everything, RIP to the other AI video tools. We are living in the future and the expectations are literally sky high. And then you have got the beta testers actually using Seedance 2.0 in China, and they are posting results, real examples, and also you can say the real use cases. And honestly, after seeing what I am about to show you, I completely get this hype. Okay, so let me walk you through some of the actual examples that are circulating online right now from the early access users. Check out this one. A beta tester. He says Seedance 2.0 testing 01, and he uploaded a storyboard and made by Nano Banana and the new model and asked for a short combat scene, and here is the result. Look at this. This is a combat scene. Two characters, dynamic movement, detailed clothing, consistent character design, atmospheric lighting, and this is a kind of complex motion that AI videos have struggled with for the years. And this is so smooth. The motion is natural, the characters stay consistent throughout the entire shot. And then here is the another that's one is blowing up. This guy posted with just three words, Seedance 2.0 is insane, and look at this. This is a gymnast on a balance beam. Watch the motion, the precision, the balance, the way body moves through space, and the lighting is cinematic. The detail in the skin, the outfit, and the hair, it looks real. This is the 33 seconds of smoothness, you can say, and also the coherent video without any glitches, no weird morphing, just clean, professional looking footage. And this one right there, he posted a new AI video model Seedance 2.0 is beta testing in China, and this is how it's going to blow your mind. 1.5 million views on this post. Look at what's happening in this clip. We have got a street scene with multiple elements, a person doing Parker street vendors in the background, realistically urban environment and natural camera movement, and the depth, the atmosphere, and the motion blur. It all works together, and this doesn't even looks like AI. It it is the actual footage. And these are just some of the examples circulating online. Every single of this is showcasing something that was extremely difficult or straight up impossible with previous AI tools. So, what's actually making this possible? Let me break down the feature based on what we are seeing and what's being reported. So the very first is multimodal input mixing. You can upload up to 12 mixed file at once, images, videos, audio, text prompts, all working together. And that combat scene started from a storyboard image. The AI understood the composition and brought it to life. Advanced motion synthesis. These clips are handling 5 to 12 seconds of complex motion athletic movement, also intricate choreography, combat scenes, and it all looks physically realistic. Character consistency. Look back at any of these examples. This character don't morph. Facial features stay locked. Outfits remain consistent, and this has been one of the biggest pain points in AI video, and Seedance 2.0 seem to have cracked it. Native audio visual generation. Word is the audio generation with the video. Footsteps match walking space, ambient sounds, and also adapt to the scenes. Everything is synchronized, right? Also, the quality and the speed. We are talking 1080p output with reportedly 30% faster generation than 1.5 Pro. Professional grade textures, cinematic lighting, and natural color grading. And if you need to make changes apparently, you can swap characters, modify backgrounds, extend clips, concatenate scenes, and all through the text prompt. No generation needed. And I mean, the leap from 1.5 to 2.0, it's absolutely massive. So how does this actually work? Let me quickly show you Higgsfield. You head to the site and the workflow is pretty straightforward. You have got in your creation interface. So just upload your inputs, write your prompt, set your parameters and hit generate. So the platform is designed to be creator friendly and they want to be accessible, intuitive and powerful at once. And from what we are seeing with Seedance 2.0, they're absolutely delivering on that promise. The best part, they are offering free access to Seedance 2.0 for the creator who want to get in early. So, all right, here is the deal. Seedance 2.0 is coming soon. We don't have an exact date yet, but based on how much content is already out there for beta testers, I'd say we are very close. If you want early access, I have dropped two important links in the description below. One is the official 2.0 Seedance sign up page. Get on that waitlist now. And second is a technical preview blog post that breaks down all the features in detail. And also, this is shaping up to be one of the biggest AI video releases of 2026. Whether you're a content creator, a filmmaker, or someone who loves experimenting with AI tools, you are gonna want to keep an eye on this. And let me know in the comments what blew up in your mind the most: the combat scene, the gymnast, the street parker. I wanna hear it from you. And of course, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so that you don't miss my full hands-on review when Seedance 2.0 actually drops. All right, that's it for today. I'll catch you up in the next one. Peace.